My favorite part of being an owner of business is there is a little bit of flexibility that, I don't have set hours. When it gets busy, I got to be here. So it is a little harder on the family. One of the other best parts is dealing with customers. I probably said it before, but my customers are kind of like family to me. So I grew up with them, and their kids grew up with me, and so that's also a good part. Another one is when they bring a vehicle to me, I think they trust me that when they bring it in, it's going to be fixed the first time and it's going to be fixed right. And just the satisfaction of them bringing a car that needs work and then it leaves repaired.